What's up, Bossalinas? It's Friday. This visor, bro, you gotta squeeze the shit out of it to get it to latch. Especially once I put the pin lock on. Let's see. Ah, I got it. Bro, I got bit by that stray cat this morning. Y'all remember I built a house for a kitty during the winter because I didn't want him to freeze? Well, I've been feeding him ever since. And every now and then I go out there in the morning and I'll see him, or I'll go out there in the evening. When I go to feed him, I only feed him in the evenings. Sometimes he'll be out there eating. I'm like, hey buddy, and I pet him for a minute. Today he come walking up to me. He's out there with two other stray cats. They ran off. He come walking up. He never does that. Never just walks up to me. I keep calling him he. It might be a girl. I don't know. So I'm like, oh, what's up? And it's rubbing itself on my leg and shit. And I'm like, oh, it's sweet kitty. He's starting to get to know who I am, you know. So I pet him a little bit. And I'm kind of squatted down and he's rubbing against my leg. And I got my arm to my side and I'm petting him. And next thing I know, this little motherfucker's wrapped around my arm, biting the fuck out of me and scratching me and shit. I was like, oh, you little bitch. Motherfucker, I've been feeding you for months. You know it's me feeding you and you're gonna fucking bite me? Not to mention, I just got bit by a damn stray cat. God knows what I got. So at some point today, we're gonna have to hit up an urgent care and get a tetanus shot. And probably rabies vaccination or something, man. Stupid ass cat. Man, this year ain't going so well, y'all. Nah, it's pretty good. It's better than the year before last when I had cancer. What would you rather, rabies or cancer? What do you think he's gonna do? You think he's gonna come out anyway? Watch them tires. I watch them wheels. If them wheels start turning, I know that some bitch is coming out. So your boy Dan the firefuck is back talking shit about us. His newest video has got, well, I don't know if it's his newest video, but somebody this week sent me a video of him saying he's not going to review my video. Yet I'm the thumbnail. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro. Dude, what? Why wouldn't you just skip over the video and make the thumbnail something else? Why are you making me your thumbnail, Dan? If you're not trying to start shit. And then he had to throw a dig out. Oh, I'm not gonna talk about his bad riding. Bitch, ain't no bad riding going on here. If you call speeding and lane splitting bad riding, then you're a fucking idiot. And Dan the firefuck, I'd have to say that you're an idiot. With your fucking dick head and balls chin. Y'all probably noticed he shaped that beard a little different so it doesn't look like balls anymore. You know I got his head. Like I give a fuck what that dork thinks about me or how I ride. I don't care. It just makes me wonder if he's like got me in other videos too that I don't know about. Because I don't watch him. I would never watch that guy. Oh, okay. Well, look, there's a truck right there. Oh, there's a car here, so we're going to change lanes to go around it. Yep, we changed lanes to go around it. Now we're going to put our blinker on and we're going to go around this truck. That's right. I mean, dude, everybody can clearly fucking see what's happening. Why do we need you to explain it to us? Dickhead. My live stream is 50 times better than yours. Boring ass bullshit. Oh, got it. Ooh, a bike. I can see maybe a new rider wanting to watch his videos, but I wouldn't even listen to a fucking word he says. I'd watch Moto Madness and make my own assumptions. Make my own conclusions. What's up, bro? What we got? Yeah, dude. See, not all Harley guys are assholes. That guy's nice. Bro, we each ride our own ride. I'm not gonna judge that guy for going slow. I'm not gonna call him a pussy. Just like you shouldn't call me an asshole for going fast. That's dumb. I think Dan's just salty about that picture. He's lucky I wasn't good at editing and shit back then. And then I didn't really want to spend some time on his ass. I say, fuck it, let's race, Dan. You get your fucking naked bike and I'll get on a track with you and we'll fucking rip it, dude. Or let's fucking fight. Let's just fucking fight. Yeah, I'll set up a boxing match between me and Dan to beat the fuck out of this guy. On live stream. For free on YouTube. Fucking Dan the Firefall. With his dick head and his ball bag chin. Judging me for going 97 in the 70. I ain't never seen a video of that guy riding. And you know why? Because he can't ride. He made a bunch of parking lot videos 20 years ago. He probably doesn't even ride a motorcycle anymore because something happened that scared him. I guarantee you. Oh, I got a family and kids. I can't ride. I can just judge everybody else. Because I'm Dan the Firefuck. I can go firefuck myself right up the asshole. In a single bound. Whee! Get low. Get low, get low, get low. Oh no! That ain't so light. It'd be funny if it was and he took the sticker off because he's embarrassed. Alright, Bossalinas. We're gonna go to urgent care later on. Maybe I'll take y'all with me. I'm aggravating this lady. She get mad. Look at her. You can't see because the sun's washing it out, I'm sure. I can't wait to get that black one going again. Not for any reason other than like, I'm just tired of seeing it in pieces. It looks sad sitting there in pieces like that. But shit's fucking, getting parts is becoming a pain in the ass. We're getting there though. Alright, love you guys. Yeet.